Caribbean style delicious mango salsa. This goes so well as a side dish to some jerk chicken. It's super easy to make, and here's how to do it. So I've got 2 medium ripe mangoes and I'm just going to chop them into blocks. Once that's done, I start with some of the other ingredients. So I've got 1 medium tomato here. I'm going to de-seed this and I'm going to chop it into blocks. And then I've got about half of a medium bell pepper, and once again I'm going to chop this into small blocks. Finally, you've got to add some kick and fire with a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. Now we put it all together. So I chuck it all into a bowl. I squeeze the juice of 1 lime on top. You also want to add a handful of parsley. And I also add about half of a shallot, once again diced quite finely. You can't forget to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you just want to mix it all together. And there's your mango salsa. It's sweet, it's got that spicy kick, and you absolutely need to try this if you haven't yet. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.